Superfoods that supercharge your immunity. Did you know your immune system protects you from millions of germs every day? This complex defense mechanism relies heavily on the nutrients we consume, making diet a vital player in maintaining our body's natural defense against illnesses. Superfoods are nutrient-rich foods that offer significant health benefits, particularly in boosting immunity. Incorporating these foods into your diet can enhance your body's resilience to infections and diseases, making them essential allies in your wellness journey. Blueberries are packed with antioxidants, particularly flavonoids, which help protect cells from damage and bolster the immune response. Consuming these vibrant berries regularly can enhance your body's ability to fight off illnesses and maintain overall health. Spinach is a powerhouse of nutrients, rich in vitamin C and beta-carotene. These compounds are crucial for maintaining a robust immune system, as they help increase the infection-fighting capability of our immune cells. Almonds are an excellent source of vitamin E, a potent antioxidant that supports immune function. Just a handful of almonds can provide nearly all the daily recommended intake of this essential vitamin, helping to keep your immune system in top condition. Research supports the incredible benefits of superfoods for boosting immunity. Studies have shown that blueberries, rich in antioxidants, help fight free radicals. Spinach's vitamin C and beta-carotene enhance immune function, while almonds' vitamin E is crucial for a healthy immune system. Turmeric, with its active compound curcumin, is celebrated for its potent anti-inflammatory properties. Research demonstrates curcumin's ability to reduce inflammation in the body, contributing to a stronger immune response and overall better health when included in a balanced diet. Ginger, another powerhouse, is renowned for its anti-inflammatory and infection-fighting capabilities. Scientific studies suggest that ginger can help reduce inflammation and support the body's defense mechanisms, making it an essential component of any immune-boosting regimen. Incorporating these superfoods into your meals is easier than you might think. Add blueberries to your morning cereal, toss spinach into salads, snack on almonds, sprinkle turmeric in soups, and brew ginger tea for a healthful boost. Despite their benefits, superfoods are often misunderstood. They are not magic bullets, but valuable additions to a nutritious diet. A single food cannot guarantee immunity. A well-rounded diet with diverse nutrients is key to maintaining optimal health. A balanced diet goes beyond just superfoods. It encompasses a variety of nutrients that work together to support overall health. While superfoods are powerful, relying solely on them is not enough for optimal immunity and wellness. Let me tell you about Sarah, who incorporated these superfoods into her meals. Within weeks, she noticed increased energy and fewer colds. Her experience is a testament to the power of these nutritional additions in enhancing health and vitality. Imagine a vibrant bowl of fresh spinach, plump blueberries, and crunchy almonds. Visualize golden turmeric milk or a zesty ginger tea, each offering a delicious and easy way to include these superfoods in your daily routine. Nutritionist Dr. Emily Hart says, incorporating a variety of nutrient-dense foods into your diet is essential for maintaining a strong immune system. This expert insight underscores the importance of embracing diverse foods for health benefits. These 5 superfoods, blueberries, spinach, almonds, turmeric, and ginger, offer distinct benefits. From antioxidants to anti-inflammatory properties, they enrich our diet and boost immunity. Including them can lead to a healthier lifestyle and improved well-being. Adding superfoods to your diet can seem daunting, but starting small is key. Begin by incorporating 1 superfood per week into your meals. This gradual approach makes it easier to adopt healthier habits without feeling overwhelmed. We'd love to hear from you. Share your favorite superfoods in the comments. Your experiences and tips can inspire others on their health journey. Don't forget to like and share this video to spread the benefits of superfoods. For more health and nutrition insights, subscribe to our channel. Stay updated with the latest tips and tricks to enhance your well-being. By subscribing, you'll never miss out on valuable information that can transform your lifestyle. Thank you for watching and supporting our channel. Your engagement motivates us to bring more content to help you on your health journey. Stay tuned for our next video, where we explore the best exercises to boost energy levels.